قبل مشاهدة الفيديو اشترك في القناة وقم بتفعيل زر الجرس ليصلك إشعار بالفيديو.
Lafayette Police Department, anybody inside? Come out now, make yourself known. Right, check this kitchen. You want to hold left? We're clear in here. Yeah, go ahead. Hey, watch that dog. Yeah, maybe you ought to hold there and make sure you don't get out. Just if it starts getting out, just put your foot up like that. It's okay. Just hold that. Watch that couch too. You can step in. We're clear. Yeah, I mean, let's check this out. Hey! Oh. What happened? What happened?
Medic Singleton. Medic Singleton.
Did my dog get out?
What happened? I tased you?
Do you have your taser out?
Where are you? Where are you shot?
Hey, relax. Did you have your taser out? Where? Right here, right here, right here, right here. Okay.
It's hooked. It's okay. It's okay. My arms. It's hooked.
Okay, let me see, babe. Come here. Listen up, baby. Come here. Where's your vest? Get your vest undone. Okay, let's see if it's through. Roll over on your side, baby. Okay, come here. 367, signal 10 medics. Okay, let's get her in my car. Let's go.
Shot or
Yeah,
tased?
come on, baby. Come here, baby.